Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a standard deviation in continuous series by shortcut method. Formula for standard deviation in continuous series by shortcut method is under root sigma f dx square upon n minus sigma f dx upon n whole square. Also we have to find out coefficient of Sd. Coefficient of Sd is equals to Sd upon mean, that is x bar, where SD is equals to as standard deviation, sigma f dx, that is sum of the product of frequencies and deviation. Deviation we can find out dx by x minus a. We have also to find out the squaring of deviation, that is dx square, and frequency we have to multiply it by frequency, and sum total of these will be the f dx squares. N will be the total of all frequencies and x bar is equals to mean. Now we have to find out a question based on this topic. The question is calculate a standard deviation by shortcut method and its coefficient from the following data. Now we are having class interval series or the continuous series over here. We have to take this class interval and frequency for our solution part. We have taken up the class interval as it is. We have also taken up the frequencies from the table. Now what we have to do, we have to find out x, that is mid value. Mid value we have to find out in this column, and with the help of this ci, and we have lower class interval limit, that is 10. Our class interval limit is, that is 20. Now we have to find out mid value, that is 10 plus 20 divided by 2, it will be 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 35, and 45, and so on. We have to find out these all values. This will be the mid values. Now what we have to do, we have to find out dx in the same manner. We have to take up any value from x series, as assuming I am taking 35 as a. Now dx is equals to x minus a, that is 15, minus 35, that is minus 20. 25 minus 35, that is minus 10. Next one is 0. 45 minus 35, that is 10. 55 minus 35, that is 20. And next one is 30, and so on. It will be 40. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the product of frequencies and dx. We have to find out the product of these two columns, that is 6 into minus 20, that will be minus 120. 8 into minus 10, that will be minus 80. Next one is 0. 7 into 10, that will be 70. 3 into 20, that will be 60. Next one is 60. And last one is 40. Now we have to find out the square of these deviation, that is dx will be converted into dx square. Dx, that is minus 20, it will be 400. And next one is 100, then 0, then 100. Next one is 400, then 900, and 40 into 40 is equals to 1600. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the product of frequencies and deviations square. Frequency and deviation square will be multiplied together. That will be 6 into 400, 6 4 24, and double 0. 8 into 100, 13 into 0, 7 into 100, 3 into 400, and next one is 2 into 900. Last one is 1 into 1600, that will be 1600. Now we have to find out the sum of these frequencies, sum of these fdx, sum of these fdx square. We may use calculator for the finding of These sum we can use 6 plus 8 plus 15, 13 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 and 1. It will be 40. Sum total of all frequencies, it will be 40. Now sigma sigma fdx is equal to minus 120 minus 80, that will be minus 200. And after that we are having 70 plus 60 plus 60 plus 40 is equals to 230. 230 will be positive value and 200 will be negative, then it will be 30. And now we have to find out the sum of these fdx square, that is 2400 plus 800 plus 700 plus 1200 plus 1800, and last one is 1600. It will be 8500. 8500 will be fdx square. Now we have to apply our formula in these values. Now I am going to use shortcut method for finding up the mean. I have taken 35 as a mean, that is 35 as a sigma fdx, that is 30 upon n, and that is 40. 30 upon 40. Now 35 plus 30 upon 40, 30 divided by 40 is equals to 0.75, equals to 35.75 will be the mean. Next one is SD. SD is equals to sigma fdx square. Sigma fdx square is 8500 upon n, and it's equals to 40. Sigma fdx we are having 30 upon 40 square. Now 8500 divided by 40, 8500 divided by 40 is equals to 212.5. 30 divided by 40 is equals to 0.75. Now we have to subtract these values. Minus 0.75 is equals to 211.75. Now we have to find out the root of this term. 211.75 is equals to 14.55. 14.55. Now we have to find out coefficient. Coefficient is equal to SD upon mean, that is 14.55 upon mean, that is 35.75. Now we have to divide it by 14.55 divided by 35.75 is equals to 0.406 or 4069. We can say that equals to 0.47 0.407 will be the answer. If you are having any query related to this solution, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you.